Hi everyone, so today we are going to explore one of the strongest and one of my favorite feature of aicuflow, that is visualization. aicuflow provides several powerful ways to visualize your data, including plots, knowledge graph, vector visualization. In this episode, we are going to explore plots and how it transforms your raw data into clear, insightful visuals. So let's get started. So let's take one scenario. I am intern at sales and marketing team and my manager has asked me to give presentation tomorrow. He has shared 5 files me, as you can see on my screen, with lots of data in it. I have very less time, but luckily I have subscription of aicuflow. So this is the aicuflow home page and I'm going to create one flow. I will give the flow name as Q1 review. From here you go to file manager page. Now in this page you have to upload the 5 files which my manager has shared with me. I click on upload. I select the 5 files which my manager has shared and I drag and drop them to the aicuflow. I press upload button. As you can see on the screen that files are successfully uploaded. Now the next step is to go to the plot dashboard page. I click on this button. Let's create our first plot. Click on create plot button. As you can see, there are lots of available options for the plot creation. aicuflow provides over 50 plus supported charts and you don't need to write any code for this visualization. Let's create area and line chart. These are the files which I have just uploaded. This file looks interesting. Let's click on this. I want to create a visualization for units sold versus revenue generated. On the right side, there is very nice preview of the plot. Let's make it area. Let's create this plot. Perfect. Let's create one more plot. This time let's create funnel. Click on funnel. Let's use marketing campaign.csv file this time. And I want to visualize what channel contributes to how many impressions. We can also use aggregation functions. Looks like our paid social is doing really well. Let's hit create plot button. Let's create one more plot. This time maybe waterfall. Let's use target versus actual.csv and I want to visualize region wise actual revenues. Click on create plots. We can also interact with the plot on the dashboard here also and we can also resize them. Even if you are not expert in plotting or visualization, there is a cool feature called AI suggested plots. So based on whatever data is present inside the file, the aicuflow will suggest the suitable plot for us. It's a really handy tool for fast analysis. This suggestion looks great. Let's pick this one up. Great. As an intern in a sales and marketing, I'm not that good in data analysis, but aicuflow got you covered here too. We have very nice feature called plot explanation, which gives you a detailed insights of the plot. As you can see in the screen that it gives very nice explanation of plot. It gives you the information of positive correlation. It gives you information of trends. It also gives you the recommendations based on whatever is displayed on the plot. aicuflow also provides color palette to increase your visualization experience. You can even customize based on your taste. Let's select this palette, apply to all. I guess I like this one more. I hope you like the video. It was just a tip of the iceberg. aicuflow comes packed with many rich and powerful features to help you build smarter data and AI workflows. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.